Did you know that if you're not actively investing, you're actually losing money? In today's video, we're going to talk about why investing is important and why everybody should be investing and as early as possible. Remember, if you like the content, definitely subscribe, like the video, and feel free to share it out with anybody that is interested. But without any further ado, let's get into why you should be investing. So there are two reasons why you want to be investing. So the first reason is to beat inflation. So inflation is simply a steady increase in the prices of the goods and services around us. So for example, if the inflation rate in any given year is 5%, it means that on average, the price of the goods and services around you will become 5% more expensive on average. Now, say for example, you could buy a bottle of water for $100 in year one. If inflation is 5%, what that means is that after 1 year, that same bottle of water will now cost $105 because it will be 5% more expensive. Now, if you just had the $100 in your wallet, you weren't investing that money or earning a return on that $100, what that means is that after 1 year, you would no longer be able to purchase that same bottle of water. Now, that's where investing comes in. Investing helps you to protect yourself against inflation. So say for example, rather than having that $100 just lying around in your wallet, you had that money invested in some way and you earned a 10% return on your investment of that $100. What that means is that instead of you having $100 after 1 year, you'd now have $110. So even though inflation was 5%, and on average the bottle of water became $5 more expensive or 5% more expensive, you'd still be able to purchase that bottle of water because now you have $110 because you would have invested that money and you would have made a 10% return. So you'd be able to buy the bottle of water for $105 with your $110 and you'd still have $5 left over. And that is the power and that is the magic of investing, because it helps you to grow the value of your money over time, which can protect you from inflation and even leave you with some money left over. So the second reason you want to be investing is to create wealth over time. So all of us, we have these big goals that we want to accomplish throughout our lives. And for a lot of these things, it's gonna simply cost a lot of money to do it, or you're gonna need a lot of capital to do it, right? So what that means is that you're gonna have to generate the income or generate the wealth that is required to be able to do these things. And I'm talking about things like purchasing your first home or purchasing a car. Maybe you want to start a business. Maybe you want to go back to school, pursue higher education, etc., right? And what all of these things have in common is that it's going to cost a significant amount of money. And investing can allow you to generate the income and generate the wealth to make this possible. So whether it's you investing in stocks and making money from capital gains and dividends, whether it's you investing in bonds and getting interest payments, or you investing in real estate, for example, and earning rental income, investing can be a great way for you to be able to generate this additional income and to generate this wealth, to come up with this money to be able to accomplish these large goals. Because most of us, especially if you're working a 9 to 5, the amount of money that you make is based on your hourly rate, right? And no matter how hard you work or how much you don't work within that hour, you're most likely still gonna get paid the same hourly rate, as well as the fact that you're limited in terms of how much time that you have in any given day. So if you think about it, all of us have 24 hours, and even if you were supposed to work the whole 24 hours, you're capped in terms of how much you can make because you are paid hourly. Whereas when you invest your money in some form of asset, your money doesn't have to rest, your money doesn't have to sleep. Regardless of what you do, your investment in, say, a stock will still be able to bear your fruit because you'd still be able to get your dividends, and capital gains can still come about because the stock is going to be trading on the stock exchange on a daily basis. So regardless of what you do, the market will open and people will be buying and selling stocks. So that is just one example. But investing is essentially a great way to be able to create wealth over time. And it's for these two reasons that if you aren't investing, you're actually losing money. Because if you think about the first reason, inflation, if you do not invest and earn a return that is in excess of inflation, you'll be losing the purchasing power of your money over time, as your money will become less and less valuable because you can purchase less things with it. right? And that is why things like housing, for example, like real estate and land becomes more expensive over time, because as inflation drives up the value, for example, of these assets or these goods or these services, it becomes more and more expensive and more difficult to purchase if your income isn't increasing similarly to match inflation. And that is why investing is extremely important, and that is why you're losing money if you're not investing to earn a return that is in excess of inflation. And then similarly, because of reason 2, if you're not investing your money to create wealth over time, then you're losing money because you're foregoing the wealth creation ability that your money can have. So whether that's through you investing in stocks, like I said, and getting your dividends or your capital gains, or you investing in bonds and getting your interest payments, or investing in real estate and getting your rental income, etc. You're foregoing that income generating ability that your money could have, right? You're foregoing the ability to invest your money in some form of productive asset that could create wealth for you over time. So what you're doing there is you're actively leaving money on the table, because this is income that you're now not generating or that you're not earning, where you would then be able to invest this money to further compound growth and to benefit from compound interest, to further grow your wealth in the future, to be able to invest in different assets, or simply to have more income to be able to spend and live a happy, fulfilling life and be able to purchase the things that you need to. And this is why the earlier you start investing, the better it is for you, because the earlier you start investing, the sooner you can start to hedge the value of your money against inflation, and the sooner you can start generating this income and creating this wealth, because what that means is that you can now start to reinvest these profits, reinvest these dividends, reinvest the interest, reinvest the capital gains, and that will lead to further gains in the future. And you can start benefiting from compound interest or compound growth, which is simply when you reinvest your profits that you make, and then that money starts to generate income for you. So you can think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls down the hill and it gathers more snow, the snowball becomes larger and larger, it starts to roll faster, and it starts to gather more snow, it starts to gather more momentum. And that is why the earlier you start investing, the better it is for you. No, not everybody will be able to start investing early, because maybe you didn't know about investing, maybe you didn't have the ability to, maybe you didn't have the opportunities to. But right now is the youngest that you'll ever be again. So now is the perfect time for you to start investing in some shape or form. It's not how much you start with that is important, but it's you being consistent, you being patient, you being disciplined, and investing for the long term that is important. So hopefully this video would have shown you why investing is important and why you need to be investing. Again, if you like the video, definitely subscribe, leave a like, and share the video out to anybody that is interested. As well as if you have any thoughts, I'd love to hear them. So feel free to comment your thoughts below. Your support is much appreciated. And as always, thank you.